Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if it's the first time seeing this beautiful face, I hope that you consider subscribing to the channel. It's absolutely free. You don't pay a single cent. Please like the video down below and comment something if you guys have any questions regarding what we're going to talk about, which is something very exciting. So excited guys, I can't even contain myself. Anyway, I'm sitting on the floor because the lighting is playing funny things, so I hope this angle is not weird, but let's get right to the video. This video is actually for people who are considering getting a pre-owned iPhone from the iStore. Obviously you also get your bag, which is so cute. Few details that you need to know are, I feel like it's better to go to the actual store because you get to see the condition of the phone, because these are phones that are usually traded in when someone wants to buy like a newer version, right? So obviously there will be scratches, there will be some faults, but three types of phones. There's the good version, which has visible scratches. Scratches are very visible. And then you get better has like slight scratches, and then you get best you can't really see any scratches. Maybe there will just be one, but the body and everything still looks good. So I got the best version. So initially when I went there, I wanted to get an iPhone 12, right? But when I got there, the prices were more or less the same depending on space and the condition of the phone. So I ended up getting the iPhone 13. Actually, I honestly feel like it was just the sales person who sold it to me, because I was honestly like stuck on 12 because I was like, I'm not compromising. This is my budget and this is what I'm gonna get. But he convinced me to get the 12 because I also feel like the prices were more or less the same, and for 13 I get better everything, you know, and it's also like still kind of new compared to the 12. Yeah, so let's unbox, you guys. Like I already mentioned, it comes in this nice bag, and then it's also in a box, so it's just written iPhone Reloved. Yes. And then so this is the iPhone 13 128 gig. I really like the packaging. It makes you feel like you're getting like a new phone, even though it's not like new. Inside, the first thing that you have is your warranty. Is it warranty? Yes, so you also get a 2-year warranty, and they also give you an option to do insurance. I'm actually gonna insure mine because losing this phone, I'm gonna freak out. I am gonna lose my mind if I am to ever lose this phone. God forbid I lose this phone. And in the box, it's also like just covered, and then we have the baby. Guys, this phone is slightly smaller compared to the 8 Plus, but I'll get used to it because I like big phones, but it's not a train smash. I'll just get used to it. So this is the phone that I got, guys. Isn't she stunning? Isn't this just stunning? Like, I am so obsessed. And as you can see, you don't have like any scratches at the back. Even on the only thing that this phone has is like scratches here at the bottom, but just that's because of the charging point, and there's just this slight scratch as well. But besides that, I'm actually happy with my purchase. And then on the screen there's no scratches at all, so I'm quite happy. Then there's also in the box, we are still in the box, you also have a cable and a pin. There's the pin, so you pretty much get what anyone who's getting a new phone gets, but it's just that yours is a pre-loved. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. And then how much was it, guys? I don't know if I am comfortable enough to talk about prices, but let me just show you. Like it's a bargain because this phone is slightly new and the battery capacity is still at 100%. Okay, I'm very happy about that, so I'm not gonna have battery problems anytime soon. And the quality of the pictures, guys, I am obsessed. So yeah, if you want to get yourself a phone from the iStore and you don't have like enough money to get the new one, try getting a pre-owned, you guys. Trust me, you won't regret it. It functions normal. It's just that it has like a few scratches and that's just it. So yeah, you just also have to get like a cover and stuff like that. I hope this video is useful and I hope it's helpful to anyone really. Please like the video. If you have more questions, please comment down below, and if you have anything else that you'd like to know, you can also go on their website. They do have phones from time to time, but I suggest you go to the actual store, which is the Rosebank. Like the Rosebank store has the pre-owned store, like it's only pre-owned devices in there. So I do suggest that you go physically so that you can see the dent, like the scratches. I'm very excited. I can't wait for you guys to see crisp content in the next video. So if you're not subscribed and you'd like to see that, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate your love and your support. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.